I don't even think most of us can imagine what a white-collar family would have done under those circumstances, because it never happens to white-collar people. Our system is broken. If we want to talk about justice, that's one thing. If we just want to talk about law and order, then I guess we will proceed in the fashion we have up until now.
Yes, the police agencies have rights to go after criminals, and no one wants to do anything. No one wants to impede that. But to sit there and put a fishing net out, gather everybody into that net, and then sort out who the criminals are, and deny people their lawful due process and the freedom of movement, that's wrong.
Obviously, people south of us, Mexico and Guatemala and so forth, want the best for their families. No doubt about that. We would all want the best for our families. And if they think they can get away with getting over here to, quote, Disneyland, I don't blame them for doing that. I do have a problem with the fact that their moral standards somehow are such that they're willing to say, well, I'm going to break the law of another country to get over, to feed my family, rather than turn inward to their own country and overthrow some of those individuals that are so corrupt in those countries.
They broke the law, and the law came in and did what the law was supposed to do. If I rob a bank, I'm going to jail, but nobody's going to feed my family, give me clothing and extra money. No one's going to do that for me.
We spent over $200,000 on outside attorney fees to represent these people. Some of them did not have good cases to be able to stay here. Some of those people elected to voluntarily return from wherever they were from. Some of them decided to stay here and fight, but it was an abuse of the government power, clear abuse. And it doesn't matter whether you're white or whether you're yellow or red or black. It's offensive because that should not be happening.
We all, in our own minds, say, this is the land of opportunity. This is the land of where we're fair to everybody. And I think we've got to say, are we being fair? Are we being equal?
Are we a police state? Is everything going to come down to criminalizing people so that, and then police raids? Is that the solution in a free and democratic country?